Good evening, Professor. I hope this video finds you well. I apologize for doing this, for submitting it late. I tried to record another video, but it had issues. So it's been, also I had another 6-week class final exam today. So I did that one after our final exam, and then I'd planned to do this assignment after, but then the time was extended for the other exam for the other class. So I was only able to do it now. And then with the video issues, it took a while. But I was also trying to find a way to screen record what I had, but it seemed like it wasn't able to do that. So as I speak, I'll refer to my Word document that has all the examples I'll use to test. I used to test for the project. So for mini project 2, I had the dice question, and for the first step, I organized my results into the steps that were in the question. The first step was to check for singles for the dice throws and return the highest scores. So for 24154, the input, I got the high score as 8 because the system stored 4 and 4 together. So the sum of those was 8, which was higher than just 5 individually than 4. Also the same thing for 36651. The two of them became 12, which was the high score that the program gave. So for the step 2 it had 3 things: 3 of a kind to give 30, which I did 2 examples on. 23336 gave the high score of 30, and the same for 34353 30. That one was different. It was broken up. Like the threes they weren't together. They were like split up, but then it also did the same thing. The same thing happened for the 4 of a kind, which gave 40, such as 12111. The high score was 40, and then 5 of a kind gave 50. So I did that one for 55555, and then the high score was 50. All this is from my Word document. And then for step 3, it asked for a full house, which is a pair and 3 of a kind, to return 35. So I did it in 2 ways. For the first example, for the first 2 examples, I had the pair first and then the 3 of a kind. So I had 11333 for the first example, which gave a high score of 35 because it was in the format of a full house. And then for the second configuration, I did the full house first, the 3 of a kind first, and then the pair last. So I had 66611, and that also gave a high score of 35. Then I did the other 5 examples, and then for step 4 was for checking for the straight. To return a high score of 45. So that there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which gave 45, and then also the same thing for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which also gave the high score of 45. And that concluded my submissions for the Word document. So I divided my project into the PY file, which has all the code. I did it in PyCharm, so I was able to execute, and then the input and the output I took a screenshot and put them in the Word document for all the submit for grading steps. And those are what I'm referring to as I read this for the video. So I'll upload the video. Once again, I apologize for doing this late. Um, and uh, I hope everything goes well. But thank you. The project was fun to work on, and I look forward to your feedback. Thank you, Professor, and um, yeah, thank you.